In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install new trim around your doors and update the look of your house. The first step is to use a utility knife to score a line through the caulk between the trim and the wall, as well as the trim and the door frame. Then use a mallet and a flat bar, crowbar, or even an old chisel to get between the wall and the trim and slowly start prying the old trim away from the wall. If you did a good job scoring with the utility knife, it should pull away without tearing the drywall paper. Be careful to not damage the door frame during this process. Most of the nails will come out with the trim, but I like to use channel lock pliers to pull any nails out of the door frame that didn't. With the old trim gone, I can use the old paint line to get the inside measurements for the new trim. Sometimes if your door frame isn't level, you might get two different measurements, which will create gaps at the miters where your side and top trim meets. When this happens, I like to cheat a little on both sides to get the same measurement so my miters are nice and tight. I'm using 18 gauge brad nails here, but you can do this with a hammer and finish nails as well. I nail every 12 to 18 inches or so both into the wall and into the door frame. I fill the holes with wood filler, and after it dries I use a wet sanding sponge which drastically cuts down on the dust. Then I cut a small hole in the tip of the caulk tube and I start on the inside seam, which are pretty easy because it can all be painted so the line doesn't have to be perfect. To smooth out the caulk I use a wet finger, but they sell little tools for this as well. For the outside seams, the walls are already painted, so I actually like to use some painter's tape on the wall and then apply the caulk. I leave the tape just outside the gap created by the trim and the wall because you can get a lip when you peel the tape off if it's too close. Then, before the caulk dries, I apply a coat of the trim paint and carefully brush over it. I then remove the tape before everything dries and you're left with a super crisp line. I know the pros don't like to use tape, but for an amateur like me, it's pretty hard to argue with those results. And all you need now is a fresh coat of paint to match the trim and door, and this is a relatively easy way to drastically update the look and feel of your home. These same principles apply to any kind of trim you want to use, so even if you don't like the style we're using, I hope this video still had some helpful tips. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and follow me along as I take on various woodworking and DIY projects around the house. I'll link to the tools I used as well as other places you can find me like Instagram and Facebook down in the description. Thanks so much for watching.